Udah.
Udah
Oke, aman
record?
ya? Wes mulai ya, Gi? Aman ya?
Oke. Udah record?
Udah.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7 and we will present about total physical response. Next slide. So before we start, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Afifatul Rahmah with student ID 116.
And my name is Muhammad Firman Tegar Wijaya with student number 148.
And my name is Dwilan Saptiana Roshid. My student ID number 169.
Okay, so total physical response or TPR was developed by James Asher in the 1970s. So James Asher observed the way babies learn their first language, and he thinks that this method is also effective for someone who wants to learn quickly to verbal comments given in the target language. Like when the teacher gives instruction to the student, so student will show their understanding with physical action like raising their hand, walking, or sitting. Next slide. And here's are the goals of CPR. So the first is develop listening comprehension. Because of teachers giving instruction to the student will listen and they just need to focus to understand what teachers talking about. And the second is build students' confidence. In a TPR, students can speak when they really want to speak. So there is no pressure for students to speak too early. And then the last one is improve memory and understanding. When the teacher gives instruction to the student, they will listen and also practice it. So it will improve their memory and understanding. Next slide.
Alright, for the next slide is characteristic. First is listening first and speaking later. So the student will listen first, then they can speak later. Second is involves physical movement. As you can know, TPR is total physical response, so that always involves physical movement in the teaching time. And the third is learning by doing. So in this method, they always learn by doing, like when the teacher say where is head, uh, all the students choose the like point their head, and they say this is head. Where's the leg? There will point the leg, and this is leg. So this TPR works. And the fourth is student respond with action. So when the teacher asks the student to doing something or ask something, so the student will respond with actions. Fourth is focus on comprehension before action. And the last is enjoyable, fun, and interactive atmosphere. So this method TPR is good for young learners. So that's why we can make this teaching time is more enjoyable, fun, interactive with uh, movement activities. Next, next. All right. So for next is strength. First is good for beginners, and second is good for young age learner. So TPR method is good for elementary school like phase A, B, and C. Why? Because in their age, their ability of memory is so good. And the third is fun and engaging. Like we as a teacher should create a learning time as fun as we can. So that's why this is fun and engaging to the student. And the fourth is strong in oral cooperation because in this method the student always use their oral communication in their learning. And the last is student more active in action. Like as we know, this method is total physical response, so it involves uh, movement. So that's why student is more active. And the last is good for teaching simple sentence and vocab. So it can be strength, but it can be the weakness of this method because uh, in this method it just good for simple sentence and vocab. Why? Because they are so they are so difficult to make every movement to the difficult material. And next slide. So I will tell you the weakness of this method. First is requires more space. Like as we know, TPR is always used involves movement action. So we need more space when we are teaching with this method because it can be an obstacle if we don't need enough space. And the second is requires more time. Like if we learning by movement, it must be required need a long time because we as a teacher when we ask something student to move, uh, we need to take the time to wait the student move. And the third is teacher centered. Why deeper is teacher centered? Because the students are waiting the instruction from the teacher and until the teacher give their instruction, so the student can give the teacher response. And the fourth is not suitable for older students. Why? Because if you are getting older, the lesson must be getting harder and more complicated. And DPR is not really needed anymore because it can be needed again, but as an icebreaker only, uh, like a rest time on like that. And the last is not suitable to teach grammar and discussion. Because during this class, the movement instruction from the teacher is not needed because when we are teaching grammar and complicated material, there are many other methods suitable for teaching grammar and discussion. Next.
Okay, and then how to apply TPR. The first, teacher modeling. For example, teachers can demonstrate stand up and say stand up, and second, guided student response. For example, teachers say the comment and encourage students to perform the action with the teacher. For example, by perform the action on their own, students are not required to speak, only show they understand to their action of TPR. The first is Simon Says is a classic game to follow comment press preceded by Simon Says. Reinforce an understanding of new vocabulary. And then action songs with corresponding like head, shoulders, knees and toes are excellent for teaching vocabulary and phrases. And the last, storytelling. Tell a simple story while acting out the verbs and action. Then student can act out the story as you retell it. And the last slide is conclusion. Total Physical Response or TPR is a language teaching method developed by James Asher that leverages the direct link between language and physical action to facilitate learning. Based on the principles of learning comprehension first, brain lateralization, and stress reduction. Its ability to make learning fun, engaging, and effective for beginners, particularly kinesthetic learners, by tying new vocabulary directly to physical movement. That is our presentation about CPR. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Alright, alright.
Gimana gimana?
Menurutmu, psikotest bisa